Now we will see question number 7 of exercise 5.1. Let us see the question first. The question is, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are, first one is acute, second is obtuse, and third is right angle. Now, first of all, let us try to understand the question. The question says that if both angles are acute, okay, first situation they are giving acute. If both angles are acute, okay, then the total will be what? And then we will get supplementary angle or not. Okay, अगर दोनों angle acute angle है, then they will form supplementary angle or not. So first of all, supplementary angle means total should be equal to 180 degree. If the total is equal to 180 degree, then two angles are said to be supplementary. That we have seen. Okay, definition and examples, and question number 1 sums we have seen that if the total of two angle is equal to 180 degree, then such type of two angles are called supplementary angles. Now, according to first condition, they are telling that if both angles are acute, acute means both are less than 90. Acute angle means both are less than 90. अगर दोनों एंगल लेस देन 90 डिग्री है, फर्स्ट एंगल भी लेस देन 90 है और सेकेंड एंगल भी लेस देन 90 है, दोनों एंगल अगर लेस देन 90 है, तो उसका जो टोटल आएगा उसका टोटल भी लेस देन 180 डिग्री आएगा, बिकॉज 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. If we see, okay, we want supplementary. Okay, so supplementary we want, so for supplementary it should be equal to 180 degree. Now according to first condition, they are telling that if both angle are acute, दोनों एंगल अगर acute है तो they will make a supplementary angle or not. So if both are acute means your first angle is also less than 90 and second angle is also less than 90. So if you add these both, what will be the total? Okay, 180 degree आएगा, अगर आएगा then they are supplementary. So 180 कब आता है? If we take 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. But now in acute angle, in this first case, first angle is also less than 90, 90 से कम होगा, second angle भी 90 से कम होगा, both are acute angle, then how total will be equal to 180 degree? If this angle is also less than 90 and this angle is also less than 90, both are less than 90, so the answer will be less than 180 degree. 180 degree we will not get because both angles are acute angles. So in first situation, both angles are less than 90, so total we will not get 180. So if both angles are acute angle, then we will not get supplementary angle. Means two acute angles can never form total 180 degree, so they are never supplementary angle. दो acute angle कभी भी supplementary angle नहीं होंगे. Okay, because उनका total 180 degree नहीं आएगा. Same way in second situation. Okay, in second situation it is given obtuse angle. In second situation it is given obtuse angle. Now obtuse means what? Obtuse means it should be greater than 90. It should be, the angle should be greater than 90. Now again, if your first angle is greater than 90, your second angle is also greater than 90. Okay, एक एंगल आपका 90 से बड़ा है, दूसरा एंगल भी 90 से बड़ा है, दोनों को आप ऐड करोगे, इफ यू ऐड बोथ एंगल, तो उसका जो आंसर आएगा टोटल वो कितना आएगा? वो 180 डिग्री से बड़ा आएगा. इट विल बी ग्रेटर देन 180 डिग्री, and we want 180 degree, not greater, not less. We want exactly 180 degree. So in second situation, when both are obtuse angle, means your first angle जो है, जो भी होगा 100, 110, 90 से बड़ा होगा, दूसरा एंगल भी 90 से बड़ा होगा, 90 से ज्यादा होगा, कुछ भी हो सकता है, 90 से ज्यादा होगा. दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो जो आंसर होगा वो 180 डिग्री से ज्यादा हो जाएगा, बिकॉज 90 plus 90 is 180 and both are greater than 90, so the answer will also be greater than 180 degrees. So again, if both angles are obtuse angle, then they will not form supplementary angle. So this is second situation. Now in third situation, they are telling that if both angles are right angle, both angles are right angle means both are 90 degree, exactly equal to 90 degree. Right angle means 90. So both angles are 90, 90. So total will be 180 degree. Yes. So in this third case, if two angles are right angle, then they can be supplementary angle. But in acute and obtuse, they cannot be. So this was question number 7, oral explanation. Now let us see it. We will solve it and we will see the solution of question number 7. So orally we have understood question number 7. Now let us see the solution part of question number 7. So first condition is given to us acute angle. So if both the angles are acute, then they can be supplementary or not. Okay, this we want to show. If two angles both are acute angle, then they can be supplementary angle or not. So we will see the solution part. Now since acute angles are always less than 90 degree, this we know that acute angle means they are less than 90 degree. So if you add two acute angle, okay, so if you add two acute angle means acute angle plus acute angle, both angle are acute, acute angle plus acute angle. Now here acute angle means this is less than 90 degree, so less than 90 degree plus again you are adding less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means it can be 80, 85, whatever, it can be any measurement, but it should be less than 90. So less than 90 degree और यहाँ पे भी कुछ नंबर है लेस देन 90 डिग्री. अब ये दोनों को आप ऐड करोगे तो इसका जो आंसर आएगा दैट विल बी लेस देन 180 डिग्री. वो 180 डिग्री से कम आएगा. इट विल बी लेस देन 180 बिकॉज 90 प्लस 90 180 होता है. एंड दिस एंगल इज नॉट 90, दिस इज लेस देन 90, दिस इज ऑल्सो लेस देन 90. सो इफ यू एड this both less than 90, the answer will be not 180, it will be less than 180 degree. So they cannot form supplementary angle because for supplementary angle total should be equal to 180 degree. So thus the two acute angles cannot be supplementary angles. Okay, so first situation is solved, that the two acute angles cannot be supplementary angle. Now let us see the second situation. Second, they are telling that if both the angle are obtuse angles, okay, if both are obtuse angles, okay, both are obtuse, then they can form supplementary angle or not. So now again you know that obtuse angle means they are always greater than 90 degree. So obtuse angles are greater than 90 degree. Okay, so if you add two obtuse angle plus obtuse angle, both are obtuse angle. Okay, so this angle, obtuse angle, means it will be greater than 90 degree plus this angle also will be greater than 90 degree. So if you add some angle which is greater than 90, here also if you add some angle which is greater than 90, and if you add, the answer will, whatever will be the answer will always be greater than 180 degree. आपको जो answer मिलेगा that will always be greater than 180 degree. And we want exactly 180 degree. So greater than 180 degree means again in obtuse angle, in this case they cannot be supplementary angles. So our statement will be, thus the two obtuse angles cannot be supplementary. So in second case also it is not possible. Now let us see the third case. Third, they are giving that if both the angles, okay, they are right angles, if both are right. Now right angle means exactly 90 degree, exactly equal to 90 degree. So now if we add two right angles, okay, if you add right angle plus right angle, so if you add right angle plus right angle means exactly equal to 90 degree plus this also exactly equal to 90 degree. So both are exactly equal to 90 degree. So the total will be exactly equal to 180 degrees. So in this case we are getting 180 degrees. So yes, two right angles can make supplementary angles. So our final statement will be, thus two right angles can be supplementary. Okay, so two right angles are supplementary, but in case of acute and obtuse they cannot form supplementary angle. So this was question number 7 of exercise 5.1. Now we will see question number 8 of exercise 5.1. Question number 8 is, an angle is greater than 45 degree. So one angle, if it is greater than 45 degree, okay, this condition is given. Now further they are asking, is its complementary angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? Means out of two angle, one angle is greater than 45 degree, that is given in the question. अगर एक एंगल 45 डिग्री से ज्यादा है तो जो दूसरा एंगल होगा उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंगल that will be greater than 45, less than 45 or equal to 45. So let us try to understand this with the help of example. Now first of all they are telling that complementary angle, both should be complementary. So complementary Complement angle means total should be 90 degree. Complement angle means total should be 90 degree. दो एंगल का टोटल अगर 90 डिग्री होगा then they will be complementary. So if the sum of two angle, if it is 90 degree, then they are complementary angle. Now out of two angle, they are telling that one angle is greater than 45. Now one angle is greater than 45 degree. So one angle is greater. So one angle they are giving, it is greater than, okay, it is greater than 45 degree. Now we want 90 degree. So 90 how you will get? If you add some angle plus some angle, the total is 90 degree. Any two angle if you add, total should be 90, and then you can say that these two angles are complementary angle. Now suppose if I take 45 degree plus 45 degree, so 45 plus 45 exactly 90 degree आएगा, and they both will be complementary angle. But now the condition is given that one angle is greater than 45, मतलब ये angle 45 से बड़ा है. Greater than 45 means this one angle, it can be 46, 47, 50, 60, whatever, it should be greater than 45 degree. So अगर ये angle greater than 45 होगा, if this angle is greater than 45 degree, suppose 46, this angle is greater than 45, means if it is 46 angle, then what will happen to second angle? Second angle will become less. Second angle should be 44, means if this angle goes on increasing, then this angle should decrease, then only the total will be 90 degree. Total 90 आना चाहिए. So अगर if we are increasing angle over here, then this side we have to decrease, or if we are decreasing this side, then we have to increase this. Okay, why we have to do this? So that the total should be 90, because total should be 90, both angles must be complementary angles. So they are telling that if one angle is greater than 45 degree, अगर ये एक angle, suppose if it is greater than 45 degree, then what about other angle? Other angle should be less than 45, equal to 45, or greater than 45. Now if this angle is greater than 45 degree, if first angle is greater than 45 degree, and if second is also greater than 45 degree, then total answer we will not get 90, total will be greater than 90. Now one angle is greater than 45 degree, okay, that is fixed, it is given in the question. Now if other angle, if it is equal to 45, suppose ये 45 से ज्यादा है, okay, और ये 45 है, तो 45 और यहाँ पे 45 से कुछ भी ज्यादा एंगल आपको दिया है, so that both if you add 145 and other more than 45, then total answer again it will go more than 90. Okay, now if you take, suppose if first angle is greater than first angle is greater than 45, then second angle should be less than 45 degree, then only total can come 90 degrees. So if one angle is given greater than 45 degree, so other angle should be less, okay, then only we can get total 90, otherwise we will not get total 90 degree. So our answer will be, it should be less than 45 degree. If one angle is greater than 45 degree, then other angle should be less than 45 degree. So this will be your 8th one's answer, less than 45 degree.